Plastic, a material we use for only a few minutes, and if we don't take precise care in our disposal, it can take hundreds of years to decompose. Currently, plastic represents 95% of waste in the Mediterranean. In our sea, for every 4 square meters, we find plastic waste. Today, the planet faces its greatest challenge. The plague of the 21st century is in the form of plastic and microplastics. In certain areas, 3 out of 4 fish have microplastics in their stomachs, producing a lethal chain reaction in their life cycle. Malta's dependence on its environment directly relates to its geographical location and vulnerability to excessive pollution. Sea spillages and plastics that pollute our forests are the main threats we face. We want to stop this disaster and are already making great progress. This year, Malta is taking steps to meet the recycling objectives outlined by the European Union. For example, citizens will be encouraged to recycle plastic bottles by a reimbursement available for each purchase. It's a big step, but there's still a lot to do. It's no surprise that we now have the opportunity to be the world's pioneers in new and very interesting ways of protecting our environment. In Malta, we have a great hunting tradition. We are the European country with the highest density of hunters per square kilometer. From September 1st to January 31st, there are more than 70,000 licenses and roughly 13,000 hunters enjoying their favorite sport. For each hunter, there can be any number of shots, and for each shot, a plastic cartridge is left on the earth waiting the next 450 years to decompose. These cartridges are discharged many meters away from where the shot was fired, so their collection is not always easy. But now we have the opportunity to do something. Every day, new materials appear with the same utility and results, but without polluting the planet. Now a product that seems to have been created for Malta has just been launched on the market, an innovative and high-performance product designed specifically for hunters. Biodegradable hunting cartridges manufactured with residues of vegetable origin that perform just like the best ammunition made with conventional plastic, but when in contact with nature and bacterial action from the earth, biodegrade in an average of 1 year, and not in the 450 as current cartridges. All this while keeping the waters of rivers, lakes, and seas clean by a damp-proof feature that prevents its disintegration in water. If all the hunters in our country used these cartridges, which are respectful of the environment, we would protect our habitats as we should, and we would be demonstrating to the world our commitment to sustainability and respect for the environment. The time is now. We have the opportunity today to take a big step, and the generations of tomorrow will thank us.